Welcome to the plot. So it's today's moving day, so I'll be moving the Brassica cage over to this patch. The peas and beans were in here last year, so the brassicas follow the peas and beans in my rotation system. So I'll be moving the cage. I've already dug the trenches, which is quite fortunate really, because this morning we've got a proper frost and the ground is rock solid. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to bed the Brassica cage in, but I'll certainly be able to move it. So I'll be doing that, and then I'll talk about the actual netting that I've got. But first I just want to show you around the allotment, because it's absolutely beautiful this morning. I'm the only one here obviously. So lovely and peaceful. So there you go. Right, let's get on it. So yeah, well done. It was a lot easier than what I thought actually. So I'm just going to shore it up now, make sure that I'm happy with the level, and then I'll get back to you. So the way I'd tell if it's level or not is I've got this bit here that I use, and then the top of the canopy. So I've got that as a landscape. So I've got the houses at the back. And I've got the metal bars going across at the bottom of the Brassica cage, so that's not too bad actually. I think it just needs to go a little bit that way, a bit more, and then we'll see. So there we go, very happy with the level of it from this angle, and very happy with it from this angle, so job's a good one. Right, let's have a look at the netting. So the frame itself I got from a neighbour. I was just in the right place at the right time. He'd given his plot up and I offered the committee some money for it and they accepted, so that was a good acquisition. The netting, this is what I got from Harrods Horticultural, and it's their butterfly netting. Now this has lasted me about 5 years. I was getting so fed up with that, the Wilco's butterfly netting, it just kept on ripping because it's plastic. This is still plastic, but it doesn't go brittle. It's just so good and so easy to repair as well. So I don't take it off, I just leave it. So it's been left on this cage for 5 years. There's no damage at all on the sides or the top. It's not deteriorated in any way. I've just got to repair the bottom bits where I've put pegs or mice have chewed to get in, and there's some strimmer damage near the edges of the lawn. So I've just got to do that repair really. So it's worth spending a little bit more money on something that's going to last for a long time. So lastly, here it is, all finished. It's bedded in. It's really solid. Yeah, really happy with it.